G'day guys, this is your mate Aries Tao. Recently I did a branding photo shoot for a talent calisthenics athletes. So here I would like to share some of my thoughts about 80-1200 Pro on location.
We all live busy lives and may not have the luxury of going to the gym multiple times a week. But with the right spirit, you can train anywhere at any time.
A professional photography studio could be pretty expensive to rent. Lots of photographers may not afford the luxury to shoot in the big studio every week. However, with 80-1200 Pro, you can always create any light you want on any location. With 1200 watt output, anytime is a good time to shoot. You can shoot in the morning, during the sunset, or even in the midday. We arrived at Bondi Beach in pitch black to wait for the sunrise. 40 watts modeling lamps comes handy. We use it as a torch to help tie the rope and more importantly to help position the light before the golden hour.
With the Pro, you can use it anytime and anywhere you go.
With the travel by air battery, you can fly the 80-1200 Pro anywhere you go. I like the fact the battery is separated so that the assistant can comfortably hold the light even at an awkward angle. 1200 watt superb output supports leading your subjects anywhere even from a distance away.
Equipment needs to be user-friendly and versatile.
The Bowen mount is compatible with a wide range of light modifiers. Interface on the battery is simple and intuitive to use. Carrying case helps the battery to be weatherproof so that you don't have to worry about the big wave coming with the rising tide.
Point your toe towards my hands, like that. Look, yeah, look down.
You can train with just your body weight, so you don't need to bring any extra equipment.
You can easily counterbalance the light with a battery, even with large modifiers.
Maybe look down, gorgeous.
Running at high intensity intervals allows you to burn more fat in a short amount of time.
Fast recycling helps you to nail more shots in a short amount of time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Running sets you free from the constraints of the gym, so you can focus on training even if you're on a tight schedule.
TTL function sets you free from worrying about the power output, and it helps you to meet busy timelines by focusing on capturing the moment. High-speed sync gives you peace of mind so that you know your 80-1200 Pro works with any shutter speed up to 1 out of 8,000 seconds. .1200 watts overpowers the ambient light easily, so that your creative vision can be achieved on any location.
This one is stable, this one is not, but this one you can really hold it.
With more strength, you have the ability to reach new heights.
With more power, you get the freedom to lead the subject in a new way. The sun is sitting behind the rock during the winter, but no worries. I can place my own sun anywhere with the standard reflector. Lead the rock as well as the model. With the octabox and the grid on, I can still easily lit my subject about 3 meters away. I have been shooting from sunrise to sunset with one single battery. The battery performs surprisingly well, considering I used quite a lot of full power during the midday. Both the power and white balance is pretty accurate and stable, which helps minimize my time in post-production. In this case, makes it easy to compose multiple images to ensure the safety of the model.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow Godox social media for more fun videos. This is Aries Tao. I will see you the next time.